A group called educationdata.org reports there are close to 93 million Americans living with student loan debt. And the thought of going into debt can be daunting for people who are thinking of trying to get a degree. But Mainers who want to get into the healthcare field are going to have a shot at student loan relief through the Maine Jobs and Recovery plan.
News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry explains.
Natalie Ledoux knew the healthcare field was for her, but the cost of an education seemed out of reach. So the Sanford native applied for a federal scholarship that covered the cost of her master's degree at Boston College, as long as she worked in a rural area for 2 years after graduation.
Once I learned that Maine was an option, that was quickly #1 to come back.
Now she's a nurse practitioner at Sheepscott Valley Healthcare Center in Coopers Mills.
Did you ever expect that you would work in Coopers Mills?
No, I had never heard of it.
And she's calling the community home, choosing to stay after her mandatory 2 years were up.
I've gotten to know my patients and my colleagues, and I feel pretty committed to this community now that I've been here.
She says this federal scholarship was life-changing for her. And now, Maine is offering a similar state scholarship. Governor Janet Mills announced she will be allocating $4 million of her Maine Jobs and Recovery plan to get students trained in healthcare and out into rural communities in need.
A strong, high-quality healthcare system is essential to the health of Maine people and to the health of our economy.
This specific program will be focused on funding education for higher-level healthcare providers like nurse practitioners. In Coopers Mills, Jackie Mundry, News Center, Maine.
There is a link to apply for the scholarship on our website or our News Center Maine app.